Does your print spooler keep stopping in Windows? Well, this issue arises due to some changes in settings and hidden issues which can be fixed by troubleshooting. So in today's video, I'll walk you through two methods to fix the issue step by step. For one-on-one assistance, you can call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, let's dive in. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Run Troubleshooters. Go to your desktop, then click on the Start button. Now, open Settings. In the Settings window, open the Systems tab. Then, scroll down a bit and open Troubleshoot. Under Troubleshoot, click on the Other Troubleshooter option. On the next screen, go to Printer and click on the Run button. If you find these steps easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. If you're facing other printer issues, let us know in the comments section. Method 2. Check Print Spooler properties. Press the Windows plus R key together to open the Run dialog box. In the search field, type services.msc and click on OK. Now, on the Services window, find Print Spooler. Once you see Print Spooler, double-click on it. In the Properties window, go to the Setup type and select Automatic. Ensure the service status says Running. Then click on Apply and hit OK button. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.